Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble mixture at home. To begin, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. Start by measuring 1 cup of warm water into a clean bowl or container. Next, carefully add 2 tablespoons of your favorite dish soap to the water. Stir the mixture very gently, just enough to fully dissolve the soap without creating too many suds. This simple base is your first step to amazing bubbles. Now, to make your bubbles truly spectacular, it's time for a secret ingredient: glycerin. Add 1 tablespoon of glycerin to your soap and water mixture. Glycerin helps create stronger bubble walls, making them last much longer before popping. Remember to stir slowly and gently to avoid creating a lot of foam, which can actually weaken your bubbles. Letting it rest for an hour or more really helps the ingredients combine. For even better results, consider using distilled water instead of tap water. Distilled water lacks minerals that can interfere with bubble formation, leading to clearer, more resilient bubbles. Don't be afraid to try different brands of dish soap. Some work better than others for bubble making. Once prepared, store your bubble mixture in an airtight container to keep it fresh and ready for your next bubble-blowing adventure. Now you're all set to enjoy countless hours of bubble-blowing fun. You can even make your own giant bubble wands using pipe cleaners or string and straws. Head outside on a calm day and watch your beautiful, homemade bubbles float and shimmer. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic smart speaker deals and other great offers. Thanks for watching, and happy bubbling.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.